Hey guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a car out of clay. First we are going to be needing the base for red. We'll be needing a red color base. You can use any color. I have used a red base and shaped it like this. And now then what I did is I made a blue took blue clay and shaped it like this and put the clay on the yes, like this. We have your windshield over there. I'm taking some orange clay, slightly pressing it in the thing, the base to make like headlights. Then taking some yellow clay and adding it till like this. I'll be adding like so, like this. Yes. Oh, okay. And yes, this is our car till now. If you want, you can add like a number plate, a designing plate, whatever you call it. Number plate, I call. Not designing plate, actually. I'm gonna shape it like this. And oops. And adding some design with the pencil to the number plate. And yes. Yes, so that's your clay car. Here you have it, guys. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.